Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of why you click on settings and you will answer. In this page, you will click here in this window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.